Hi everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. If you are learning English, this video will help you understand and use important daily words. Let's get started. The first word is need. Need means something is important or necessary. Example, I need water to drink. If you are hungry, you can say, I need food. Now it's your turn. What do you need today? Try saying, I need, and complete the sentence. Now, let's look at want. Want is different from need. Want is something you would like to have, but it is not necessary. Example, I want ice cream. You don't need ice cream to live, but you want it because it tastes good. Try it yourself. What do you want right now? Say, I want, and complete the sentence. Next, we have have. Have means to own or possess something. Example, I have a phone. If you own a dog, you can say, I have a dog. Can you say it? What do you have? Say, I have, and complete the sentence. Now, let's talk about like. Like means you enjoy something. Example, I like music. If you enjoy pizza, you can say, I like pizza. Say it with me. What do you like? Say, I like, and complete the sentence. Great job! Today, we learned 4 important words. Need, something necessary. Want, something you would like. Have, something you own. Like, something you enjoy. Now, practice using these words every day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.